Customer?
Customer, did I say that?
Yes.
Customer. All right, guys, what's going on? So Bailey is putting the DCR kit on Ford. We'll get over in just a second. We finished up welding the C10 frame, and I'll flip it around and show you how that laid out. This is essentially just a frame stiffening kit. So these frames are really not designed. These trucks come factory with about 150 or so horsepower. This truck's gonna be making north of 500. So these frames are just not built for that. We've already got the four links set up with the coilovers from RideTech, front and rear, to help a lot of it. But when you was driving this truck, you take a curve, you could feel that back tire wanting to lift. It's just like the whole frame was twisting. So ended up pulling it back apart and putting this kit in it. And what this does is this goes in and bolts and welds through the frame. So you're tying the frame all the way together. Your transmission actually gonna sit on this piece right here. So it's just a lot nicer, more robust kit. And this, again, just kind of strengthens everything up. So he's got that welded, cleaned up, letting it dry now. Wesley's cleaned up the valve cover for that truck. And then we're gonna get that put back together, and then we've got to get this painted back together. So let me flip you around and show what we got going on here. As you can see, we got so it bolts in, and we went through and welded a lot of these pieces up just for extra rigidity. It adds the big heavy channels on the inside, front and back. Again, it's just beefing up the center section of this frame because you've got a lot of bracing back here for the axles, front with the motor. The middle part of this just had one little cross member here, and it just was not enough to hold it tight. So this really is going to lock this down good. So making progress on the Chevelle too. Like I said, we ended up painting it up being way too thin on it, so he had to strip it down and essentially repainting the car. So we tore it back down, found a little bit of rust, so we ended up replacing this fender while it was apart, and I've actually got rockers coming to put in it too. So now we went through, welded up a lot of the holes, so those holes are gone. All the trim holes on the bottom of the car is gone. Should be on both sides. That's what the color was going to be like. So the whole car was painted and done, and it just got some stuff in it, and the paint was just too thin to get it out. So ended up having to sand it down and redo it. So like I said, the rest got a lot more of these holes welded up. You can see that on the bottom of the door. Getting rid of all the trim. We're just kind of going to tidy it up and make it a little cleaner as we go back together. So there's some progress on the Chevelle. All right, so DCR kit's going together. Got it pulled apart. The customer, like this truck's got a little over 300,000 miles on it. He liked to go ahead and do injectors and stuff too. So
The customer?
Customer, did I say that?
Yes.
Customer. So go ahead and get the new injectors. He's pulling them out now and getting the injector codes labeled on so we can tune those into the ECM when he gets done. So S&S DCR conversion going on there. Cody, let's see what Cody's got going on. So while we're waiting on the frame to dry, so there's some cab motor for the green truck. While we're waiting on all that to dry, Cody is getting Cameron's trucks mocked up a little farther. So he's got the Stainless Works headers on, putting the intake on now. So there's the lid fixing to go on. Maybe the bottom section. So he's kind of getting all that stuff roughed, ready to go on. So once that's on, I'll get you some more shots of that. But he's kind of going to work on that for an hour or so while we're getting that frame prepped for paint. So update shortly.
This is more Wesley's speed, painted parts.
All right, guys, thank you all for watching this week's Shop Week video. We appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.